Kinley of today's Creative Food Kids Edition. So today we're going to make this beautiful flour Easter egg cookie.
Yes, and if you need the recipe for the cookies or the icing that we use, it's a beautiful glossy icing that I have. Go ahead and go to my blog at Today's Creative Food. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
First, I'm going to outline with frosting my egg. Now I'm going to fill it in. Now I'm going to use a toothpick or sharp tool, and I'm going to fill in and smooth my frosting around. Now I'm just going to make a little swirl in my cookie. And then I'm going to take a Q-tip or a sharp tool, and I'm just going to swirl it around. Now I'm just going to do a dot right by my flour and each one. And now with a sharp tool or a Q-tip, I'm going to go in and out on each one.